Galactic Federation of Light and Higher Self message. There is much activity taking place in Antarctica, and discoveries are being made that will alter your history that barely covers your true human development. There are very interesting finds such as the bodies of extremely tall beings, frozen exactly where they were when the freeze came upon them. They came from a period many, many thousands of years ago, and it is not intended that you should get to see them. Those controlling such events want to continue keeping you in the dark and keep the full truth to themselves. However, there are also those who are fighting for full disclosure, and that is likely to happen if they get their way. Certainly, with only a small number of years likely before ascension takes place, there is a sense of urgency to get the truth out into the open. It is your history that needs to be rewritten, and you have a right to learn the facts, and they cannot be withheld forever. These times are very testing for most people, particularly for those who have little knowledge of the truth. They cry to God asking for release from their experiences, without knowing that they are necessary for their evolution. It applies all around, and for many it is their final life in the lower dimensions and why it can be hard going. However, the toughest times on Earth are the ones that give the best opportunities to overcome much karma and progress to a higher dimension. Whatever level you are at, these are times of great opportunities that can propel you ever onwards. As always, your guides follow your progress and do as much as is permitted to help you succeed. Call upon them when you feel in need of their help, and more often than not they can give it. Many wise and evolved souls have incarnated at this time to be mentors to those about to ascend. Their experience will help you to be successful in achieving ascension, or advance your understanding so that you can at least make good progress. You will find that many young souls are in fact wise old souls, coming into your lives to give you knowledge that will put you on the path to truth. They usually exhibit great knowledge and understanding at a young age, and should be taken notice of for that reason. The Dark Ones are creating the circumstances of their own demise because of service to self. However, whatever they do, they cannot compete with those souls who are of the light, who are immune to their negative energies. Like attracts like, so providing you are true to the light, you cannot be touched by them. Of course you will be concerned at their actions that include murder and many depraved acts, but you must keep from being brought down by them. Bear in mind that you attract to yourselves exactly what you give your energy to. So guard your thoughts and reactions in respect of negative situations that you may learn about. Humans are prone to getting involved with other people's lives, which is fine, providing they know how to do it without becoming emotionally involved. Life can sound difficult at times, but by keeping to your desire to act out of love for your fellow travelers, it should be rewarding and plain sailing. Generally people seek to be well off, and many earn that right by hard work. But it becomes extreme when money becomes your god, and you seek riches that are unnecessary for your well-being. Having great wealth is a challenge, as it must be used for the good of all people and not selfishly used for self-aggrandizement. Yet a very small number own 95% of the world's wealth, whilst millions live on a pittance without proper housing or sanitation. Something has gone seriously wrong, and the accumulation of wealth has taken place at the expense of ensuring a reasonable standard of living for everyone. These problems are intended to be dealt with very soon, and will come into force before the end times are reached. Having been given free will, you are the architects of your own reality. However, those who rule clearly exercise a much greater degree of power, but as you are in a democracy, you are able to voice your opinions. Having made your choices, it authorizes those who oversee your lives to influence the future to your advantage. For example, you have had the benefit of new ways of doing things, and inventions that have lifted your quality of life. However, you have not been given things such as free energy that would have taken you into the new age, and made life much more comfortable for you. Instead, you are held in a time warp where life can be a drudge and many people have insufficient means to survive. This cannot go on for much longer, and already steps are being taken to remove the obstacles that are preventing a complete change for the better. You the people are putting out strong thoughts that are creating a new timeline that lifts you out of the old one. Soon there will come a time when the powerful energies being created will suddenly cause beneficial changes to happen. As more and more people envisage the changes that are possible, they bring about their manifestation, a point having been reached where they can no longer be held back. So the importance of keeping focused on your goal must be emphasized. It is a time when you must concentrate on your own needs if you are to take the opportunity to ascend. You have many friends and family waiting to meet you again, and some will visit the earth whilst others will not do so until it is safe. Many are waiting to greet you after ascension has taken place who are not directly involved in your life plan. They are family and friends from many lives where you have met and worked together. Such links are rarely broken, particularly where a bond of love has been made. When you are in the higher dimensions, friends are only a thought away, so no matter where you are, contact is possible. However, the point must be made that if a soul is otherwise engaged in some activity that cannot be interrupted, you may not receive a response. You have no need to be concerned about those souls who were unable to ascend with you, as they will be looked after and given every opportunity to be successful next time around. Understand that every soul gets the same opportunities to gain knowledge and progress, but some need more time to incorporate the new understanding to their advantage. The light has won the battle, and very soon all shall see peace settle upon the earth. This will allow the changes to go speeding ahead and put the dark times behind, so you can enjoy your newfound freedom. You will love being part of the new earth and give your time to being involved in the changes for the benefit of all. This message comes through my higher self and carries the energies of light and love. Channeled by Mike Quincy. treeofthegoldenlight.com